Hey traders, are you tired of traditional trend indicators that fall short when it comes to accuracy? If so, the Trend Trading Cloud indicator might just be the game changer you've been searching for. Imagine a tool that not only identifies market trends with unparalleled precision, but also guides you on where to set your stop loss and profit targets. Enter the Trend Trading Cloud, a visual marvel that paints a clear picture of market dynamics directly onto your chart. The Trend Trading Cloud is certainly worth a closer look, but before we begin, I'd like to ask you for a quick favor and show your support for the video by hitting that like button, as well as subscribing to stay up to date with future videos. Thanks. Let's start by exploring the Trend Trading Cloud by looking at an example. On the chart, I've selected the US dollar against the Japanese yen in the hourly time frame. At the heart of the Trend Trading Cloud is its visual, intuitive approach to trend analysis. Unlike traditional indicators that rely on complex calculation and abstract metrics, the Trend Trading Cloud presents traders with a simple yet powerful visual representation of the market. When activated, the Trend Trading Cloud overlays a dynamic cloud-like formation onto the price chart. This cloud serves as a clear indicator of the prevailing market trend, with blue indicating an uptrend and red signaling a downtrend. This visual simplicity not only streamlines the trend identification process, but also eliminates the guesswork often associated with traditional trend trading indicators. Now, from the chart, we can observe price action closing below the cloud and the cloud color changing from blue to red. Additionally, the indicator has generated a sell signal, which can also be set up using alerts, meaning you don't have to spend all day in front of those charts. So once these candles have closed that confirm the signal, we can enter our sell trade. For the sell trade, I will place my stop loss at the top of the band and aim for 1.5 times the return. For this trading example, my stop loss will be set at 57 pips and my take target at 85.5 pips. The Trend Trading Cloud not only points out trends, but also offers a strategic approach to trading. It shows traders areas of potential support and resistance, which can be used to place your stop loss and stay on the right side of the trend. Next, let's explore the other side of the spectrum by looking at a buy trade and see what sets the Trend Trading Cloud apart from traditional trend indicators. For this, I've selected the Australian dollar against the US dollar in the 15-minute time frame. What truly sets the Trend Trading Cloud apart from traditional indicators is its ability to provide precise entry and also exit points. This is thanks to its intuitive incorporation of both trend and volatility algorithms. Traditional indicators often fall short in this regard, generating false signals that can lead to costly trading errors. The Trend Trading Cloud, however, leverages market volatility to enhance its accuracy, ensuring that traders receive timely and also reliable signals. For those traders accustomed to the frustration of false signals and missed opportunities, the Trend Trading Cloud offers a reliable alternative. By factoring in market volatility, this indicator delivers more accurate trend assessments, allowing traders to enter and also exit positions with confidence. Now, for this example, those traders who simply followed the previous sell signal were able to gain more than 25 pips. And once we get the latest buy signals, we can see that price action is rejecting away from a demand zone. This double bottom rejection, along with the buy signals, indicates a change in the trend direction. So for the buy trade, I will place my stop loss below the bottom band at 24 pips and aim for 1.5 times the return at 36 pips. Of course, once the trade is running in a profit, you can move your stop loss along with the bottom band, which limits your exposure to unexpected market moves. Next, let's explore another trading example. On the chart, we have the Great British Pound against the US dollar in the 30-minute time frame. What you might have noticed from these different trading examples is that unlike traditional indicators, the trend trading cloud excels across various time frames. The reason is that our indicator incorporates market volatility into its algorithm. This enhances accuracy and eliminates false signals, setting it apart as a groundbreaking trend indicator. Now, from the chart, we can see multiple rejections away from a supply zone before we have this bearish breakout. This is where our advanced indicator has identified, and you'll never miss another trend change. So for the sell trade example, I will place my stop loss at the top of the band and aim for 1.5 times the return. For this example, my stop loss will be set at 45 pips and my take target at 65.5. So if you're ready to revolutionize your trading strategy, the trend trading cloud is your answer. Next, let's explore another trading example. However, this time we'll shift our focus towards a swing trade. For this, I've selected NVIDIA, ticker symbol NVDA, in the 4-hour time frame. From the chart, we can observe that the stock was in a sideways market move, moving inside the band. If we use the rectangle drawing tool, we can see that price action was consolidating between these two levels. After this, we see a strong bullish breakout candle, which has generated a buy signal from our trend trading cloud. Now, once we get the buy signal after this period of consolidation, we can expect a large move according to the theories set out by Wyckoff. So for this buy signal, we'll follow the same rules as before, placing my stop loss below the bottom band and aiming for 1.5 times the return. From the playback, we can see that the bottom band creates a fantastic trailing stop, meaning we can simply drag our stop loss along with it. Next, let's explore another trading example and incorporate some additional indicators that I use in my trend trading analysis. On the chart, I've selected the euro against the US dollar in the 5-minute time frame. Firstly, from our other examples, we've seen that supply and demand, or support and resistance, play a crucial role in determining the underlying direction and movement of the trend. For this, I will use our supply demand pro that automatically identifies these zones. Additionally, we want to have enough volume to ensure that we don't get stuck in a sideways market move. For this, I will also be incorporating our Volume Force Pro panel. Now, from the chart, we can see that price action is rejecting away from a supply zone, which is marked in red. Additionally, once we get the sell signal from the breakout candle, we can see that the Volume Force Pro is below zero and also below the average line. All this means is once the candle has closed, we can enter our sell trade. For the sell trade, I will place my stop loss above the supply zone and aim for 1.5 times the return. By incorporating these additional indicators and cross-checking our analysis, we are able to enter another winning trade. Next, let's explore our last trade example. But before moving forward, if you found this video helpful, please drop it a quick like, as it helps us with the YouTube algorithm. For our last trade example, I've selected the S&P 500 in the 5-minute time frame. The S&P 500 serves as a benchmark for the US economy, incorporating 500 of the largest stocks in the US. Now, from the chart, we can see that price action is rejecting away from a demand zone that is marked in green. Then we see a bullish breakout that the trend trading cloud has identified as the start of a bullish trend. Once we get the buy alert, we can take a look at the Volume Force Pro to ensure we have enough volume for the trade to play out. For this, the histogram needs to be above 0 and also above the average line. Once all of these criteria are in place, I will enter my buy trade. For the buy trade, I will place my stop loss below the demand zone and aim for 1.5 times the return. In summary, the trend trading cloud represents a significant advancement in trend analysis. By combining visual simplicity and advanced algorithms, the indicator empowers traders with the precision and confidence needed to navigate today's dynamic markets. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, the Trend Trading Cloud offers a user-friendly yet powerful tool for enhancing any trading strategy. So, if you haven't already, make sure to visit our website and take a closer look at our exclusive TV Champ membership. With the TV Champ membership, you'll gain access to all of the indicators featured in this video, plus a multitude of other next generation indicators. So I hope that you found this video helpful. Until next time, happy trading. Bye.